excited. Okay. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Olabisi. If you're just joining this channel, you're welcome. I always say hi guys, and sometimes I just want to say hey people, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Okay, the basic thing is you're welcome to my channel. Subscribe, comment, like, share with your friends, and do all those good stuff. So today I'm going to be sharing with you few things I've learned or few things I do during this lockdown, standstill, isolation period, social distancing, and all of that. I mean, all the things that COVID-19 has caused. There are a lot of people that did not even know what it means to distance yourself socially, and now they know. And guys, I keep hearing a lot of COVID-19 aka like COVID 119, like corona vampires. Oh my god, a lot of people can give name to coronavirus though. You don't know. Okay guys, let's just like let me go straight to the point. Okay, the first thing I learned that I do, I don't want to say learn. Okay, I learned, no, I learned. I don't know, this video is, I don't want this video to be super long. I just keep laughing. Okay, can you calm down? Yeah, this period is, I feel like this period should be a period of self-discovery. There are a lot of things that we have been postponing during the um our normal lives. You know, a lot of things that we've been postponing. Oh, I'm going to do this when I have time, I'm going to do this when I have time. I mean, there are a lot of people that those things that they didn't have time to do when we were living our normal lives, they still don't have time to do it now. Meaning that it's not because of the time framing, it is because you don't have that self determination, that self control, that okay, yeah, this is how I'm going to time myself, this is how I'm going to, you know, schedule my day and all of that. Because trust me, during those times too, I'm always like, oh, I don't have time, I don't have time. But the thing is, actually, if you really want to do something, you do it intentional. Set timing for yourself. Make sure that nothing steals that time away from you at that set time that you want to do it. Okay, let me just go straight to the point. Let me go straight to the reason why I'm here. So this period is a period of self-discovery. Number one, the first thing I do in this period of lockdown, I told myself that you have not been reading very well. I mean, there's a saying that readers are leaders. Amen. If you really want to add values to your life, I mean, there's a book I'm reading presently, Understanding the Power and Purpose of Men by Dr. Miles Muro. And I mean, I feel like, wow, yesterday I was telling my mom that there's a lot of things that you get to know when you read. I mean, I just I just saw like a different light to men when I read that book, and thanks to my mentor for sending that book to us to read. I mean, so yeah, I read now. It wasn't like I don't read before, but guys, I can read like one book in 3 months. Is that bad? But now it's better. So add values to your life. Read. Reading will really help you a lot to discover a whole lot of things. You can't know everything by experience. So there are people out there that has, you know, written their experience, written the things they know that can help people grow in life, and that is reading book. So please guys, read books. Number two, next thing I'm doing right now is, guys, I just discovered that I have this ability to write. I mean, in this space of, you know, few months that corona has made us stand still, made us stay home, I've almost finished 2 jotters, guys. I mean, see, I'm finished to just that second one. So guys, I just discovered that I write a lot. I mean, anything I see that capture my mind, my heart, I'll quickly write it. It doesn't have to be like when I'm reading I jot. No, you can see anything that you feel like this thing will be helpful to me or to somebody out there. And let me say this, that everybody has something that someone does not know. I mean, somebody was telling me, was it not last week, that she wanted to start cooking stores. She wanted to go into cooking and all of that, and she was delaying and everything. And I said, see, don't delay. Don't say that until you go to catering school or anything. That thing that you know presently, someone is looking for it. So I mean, if you're someone if you're watching this video and you feel like, I want to get a lot of experience, a lot of wisdom in this line, you can always start small. So that small thing that someone else is looking for it out there. So stand up on your feet, showcase yourself, and tell people what you gonna do. So let me check. The next thing is exercising, guys. I mean, I've not been doing well in that area, but I'm trying my best. Go exercising. I mean, because a lot of people have tendencies to get friend. I mean, if you check one of my videos that I did, that I was bringing you guys along with me, my exercise journey and all of that, I'm like, this thing is not easy, but you can just take one step at a time. And another thing I do in this period is I listen to messages, spiritual messages. I listen to messages from different kinds of people. Sometimes I will intentionally go to YouTube, because we are YouTube person, we will watch other YouTubers to grow, so to learn. I mean, so I will just go to YouTube. Sometimes I will go and download preaching, I will listen, I will write. So it is what it is. So before I forget, guys, a lot of people are saying that they will remove their 2020 age from their age. Wait, I don't understand. See, a lot of people will just go out to social media and say a lot of things and not balance it. See, it will shock you that those that are posting all those stuffs are actually doing great things with their life. They will post it for a few minutes, go back to their own life and do great stuff, and you are there consuming all of it, saying that I will remove 2020 age from my age. See, this year some people had made their first millions this year. Trust me, some people will still make their first million this year. See, we are believers. When others say that there is a casting down, we are supposed to say there is a lifting up for us. So don't be like, 2020 is useless, overhyping as kid 2020, all those stuff, all those times that will be saying vision 2020. Yes, a lot of people said so, you're right, amen. But that doesn't mean that something good cannot come out of 2020. I mean, 2020 has been an amazing year for me. I've learned to save more. I've learned some self-discoveries about myself that I'm like, so I have this thing, and if not for this period, this lockdown, I wouldn't have discovered it. So thank God and thanks to 2020. So guys, don't ever think that 2020 is already a worst year already. No, you can dust yourself and start something right now. Pray to God, because that is key. I mean, if you want to do something, leaving God out of the equation is bad. So in everything you do. And one other thing, guys, when I wanted to start exercising, I started. I mean, after 1 week, I'll go and check my weight. I'll see that this thing is not reducing. What is happening? Until God did somebody for me, that there are a lot of things that the reason behind it will not make it work. I mean, if you're someone that wants to do something, the reason matter a whole lot. I mean, I just wanted to reduce my weight because people are saying that, you are fat, oh, look at you, kinika. But I actually appreciate myself, because you would you will notice that what someone doesn't want is what someone else is praying for. I mean, there are a lot of people out there that are like, oh God, please let me just add little flesh, small flesh like this, kill like this, but they did not add. So this is me, wonderfully and fearfully made. So can you get that? So yeah, I mean, if you're somebody like me that's trying to exercise, please appreciate yourself first. Let the reason be the right reason, because you want to keep fit, because you want to, have a great healthy lifestyle. Don't just reduce weight because they are abusing me that I'm too fat, I cannot carry kiniko. No. So thank you for tuning in. I believe that this has helped somebody. I believe that even because I know I smile a lot in this video, but help me to take it like that. Thank you. Please subscribe to this channel. Wait, if you will not subscribe, sure you do not know where the subscribe button is. That red icon is to be somewhere around here or here. Please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you next Sunday. Bye.